Morning guys. So, second day here in Sapporo. It's 7 o'clock in the morning and we're going down to have breakfast. We have mixed vegetables. And then we got this toasted ham and egg donut or bagel or what? I don't know. We are gonna try to wear this 150 peso pole. You need to have this para hindi ka madulas sa snow. So, add to cart, guys!
Use my affiliate.
We are going to Royce factory, and then in the afternoon, we'll try to visit some destinations in Otaru. Yeah, ang call time natin actually is 8:30, so we still got 20 more minutes to prep up. So nandito na tayo sa Royce Town Station and meron silang shuttle going sa factory. So nandito na tayo guys sa Royce Cacao and Chocolate Town. We're just on time kasi 10 AM yung ating ticket. So
No rush.
Lang.
No rush.
Just right in time. So meron silang free shuttle going here pagdating sa station. Ayun na sila.
Hi! We're stopping late.
Let's lift. 70 kilo.
Wow! Kaya ba yan?
Dumpling stick. Biglang nag-crack ako. I love it! Car wash. Chocolate quiz. Question! What's the process of putting ingredients in a rolling pan and making chocolate? D. What? Okay. Wrong guys, pasok na. Chocolate. I'm gonna eat this petite truffle. This is our lunch.
Recommended.
Where's the orange?
A hint. Just a hint.
Oh, it's at the end.
Let's go.
Yummers.
Ano yung picture ko? Bibigyan na lang sila.
Baka, tabi ko. Wee! 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 Mawamata! Wee! Wee! Mawamata! Mawamata!
ご注意ください。
Right now, nandito tayo sa Otaru. So, nag-add tayo ng 750 yen kasi galing tayo ng Royce. Tapos, nag-connecting train tayo. And we added 750 for our pamasahe. So, now is maglalakar kami para maiwan yung gamit while we go around Otaru. So, this is the 400.
Hindi, sa kabilang side.
Ito. How much?
Okay.
What's happening, guys? Okay. Joke lang. Ba't kalasa lang siya nung kanina?
Okay.
Ice cream. Nakikitim lang din ako.
Ice cream tsaka
Mochi.
This is good. Sarap. Bili lang tayo isa. Gusto nyo? Ay, gusto nyo pumasok dito?
Napakasarap nitong hayop na letaw na. Ang sarap!
sarili ko, bibili ako o hindi.
Ako din eh.
Antique Museum. Gusto ko nito.
It's rolling. It's rolling.
Kaya kung kayo ay may a day to spare dito sa Sapporo, I highly recommend for you to do a side trip dito sa Otaru. Hindi lang ito isang side destination, kundi isang lugar na puno ng charm, adventure, at delicious food.
It's 6:30 na ng gabi. And we are heading sa Minato Station, which is actually one station before
Tama ba itong mga desisyon na to?
Otaru.
Bakit mataas?
Nilakad na lang namin. Mga 7 minutes away dun sa dulo. Pero kasi guys, nag-snow. Namamanid na yung mukha ko. Taxi kami guys. Uy, okay. Dito tayo sa Jingjin Sukan. Magdidinner.
Kasya ba yan?
Ayun o, naghahanap. Standing eh. Close. Kita ko naman.